your small business doesn't have cybersecurity, you're leaving the door wide open for cyber attacks. Small businesses are the target of nearly 43% of all cyber attacks, yet many don't think it can happen to them. Top cyber threats facing small businesses: phishing emails, malware, weak passwords, ransomware. Cyber attacks can cost your business time, money, and customer trust. Here's how you can protect your business from cyber threats with a few simple steps. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Regularly update your software. Train employees on cybersecurity best practices. Don't wait until it's too late. Strengthen your small business's cybersecurity today. Stay safe online. Subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Cybersecurity starts with you. Visit our channel for more tips and resources.